My coverage of Computex 2019 is sponsored by Techware, providing quality computer and gaming products. Right alongside Ducky was their good friends Varmilo. They originally weren't going to be at Computex this year, but they had a fun little spot. The board that they did do together was of course the Maya Pro, which I've reviewed before. It's their 65% keyboard and is essentially a plastic version of the Varmilo VA68. And they were just showing off the different versions they have with different colorways and designs. This is achievable because Varmilo make their own dye sublimated keycaps and can pretty much do whatever they want, with my personal favorite being the C Melody edition. The funny thing is that this was like way off to the side that I could have easily took one and walked away. And the rest of the stuff Varmilo showed off really was all about that aesthetic customizability and personalisation, which they have really become known for recently. They were showing off their online custom configurator, which clearly demonstrated their abilities and was quite impressive. You can actually visit the Varmilo website and try it out. And yeah, we have options for pretty much everything. A somewhat recent addition to their personalization is being able to UV print on the plastic enclosure. The image can only be applied to the top and bottom, so the sides are just bare, but are of course available in a bunch of different colors. So with the combination of custom dye sub keycaps and UV printed cases, Varmilo are able to do some pretty cool theme keyboards. Gotta love Varmilo. They have always been up there for pre-built mechanical keyboards, and they're constantly trying to differentiate themselves in the market by just making keyboards more personal. The UV printed cases are amazing to me. It may not be for everyone, but I personally love just another option to spice it up a bit. Currently there's only a few designs available, but who knows what they'll be able to do in the future. The keyboard configurator was also impressive. There was a surprisingly good amount of customization available, including the case, plate, the color and font of the keycaps, the feet, the accessories and extras. It's probably pretty pricey, but that's expected for the personalization you get. They had a small spot, but they made the best of it. Big thanks again to Techware for supporting my coverage of Computex 2019. More stuff to come, so stay tuned.